Plug in the USB cable and power cord. Long press the power button to switch on. Waiting for the machine to return to its position. Turn on the machine. Place the item to be engraved. Adjusting the laser module focus. The laser module focus can be adjusted by raising and lowering the height of the engraving plate, and by twisting the lift knob to control the lift of the laser head. Note: laser engraving is most effective when the focusing bar is just touching the engraved item. When LightBurn connects to the machine for the first time, create the connection manually. Double-click to open LightBurn. Click on Create Manually. Select GRBL. Click on Next. Select Serial/USB. Click on Next. 10W/20W laser workspace dimensions. Enter H20. X-axis length equals 420 mm. Y-axis length equals 300 mm. 2W/40W laser working area size. Enter H20. X-axis length equals 420 mm. Y-axis length equals 275 mm. Click on Next. Select Front Left. Click to switch off. Is the laser automatically reset on startup? Click on Next. Click Finish. Click on H20. Click OK. Connecting the machine. COM port numbers vary from computer to computer. Select the console layer. If OK is displayed, the connection is successful. After successfully connecting the machine, connect the next adaptation parameter for the software. Click to edit. Setup. Select Better for diodes mm/min. Click OK. Click Edit again. Device settings. Select Activate Laser Ignition button. Activates the laser when scanning the border. Click OK. Select the Move layer. Power equals 2%. Setting image position and engraving size parameters. Drag in the image to be engraved. X-axis position equals 1 mm. Y-axis position equals 1 mm. Width equal 40 mm. Height equal 51.501 mm. Select the bottom left corner. Go to the Cut/Layer page and set the parameters for the engraving pattern. Select Cut/Layer. Double-click to open the layer. Engraving layer page parameters. Speed mm/min equals 20,000. Maximum power percent equals 100. Constant power mode off. Click to close overscan. Line spacing equals 0.1. Parameters can be adjusted according to the engraving effect. Layer mode grayscale. Click OK. Select Start Absolute Coordinates. Click on Frame to define the engraving area. Click the Start button to begin engraving. Double-click to open the layer. Cut layer page parameters. Speed mm/min equals 300. Maximum power percent equals 100. Constant power mode switched on. Mode selection line. Adopted one time. Click OK. Select Start Absolute Coordinates. Click on Frame to define the cutting range. Click to start the pump. Click the Start button to begin cutting.